Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is in good health, whoever is watching the video. So welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make cheesy garlic bread. So it's very yummy. So we usually eat when we visit Pizza Hut or Dominos. So I felt like eating, so I thought of making it at home because it's quite expensive nowadays when you eat at home. Same cheesy garlic bread you can make it at home with lower cost. So here I have taken two bread and I have taken brown bread. You can also take white bread also, whatever you have at home. So I have taken two slices of brown bread and also I have taken some butter, like 10 gram of butter, and in the butter I have added 1 spoon of chopped garlic, 1 spoon of oregano and 1 spoon of chili flakes, and mix everything very well. And now I am going to spread all over the bread very nicely. So bread all over the bread, and you do not have to put on both the sides, just one side of the bread is okay, because the butter will get melted and the butter is going to be crispy. So I have finished applying in one bread. Now I am taking the other bread as well. So I apply all over the bread very nicely. So friends, please do make it at home and enjoy rather than going to Dominos and eat, because it's very tasty, crispy and cheesy, and it's the same thing we eat outside, but it's more healthy. So now I'm going to put in a pan, I'm going to put the bread, and in a medium flame, or I keep it in a low flame also, just in the low flame, otherwise the bread can get burnt, because there are butters and other spices and herbs in the bread. So I'll keep the flame in medium or low, and then I am going to add some grated cheese. So here I have taken some grated mozzarella cheese. You can take any other block cheese as well. And after putting the cheese, I am going to put some oregano powder, just a little bit of oregano powder on top of the bread, and then I am going to cover it with the pan and let it in the medium flame, in the low flame. I am going to cook it for 5 minutes. In the meantime, when the bread is being cooked, I am going to make a dip, because we can like to eat the breadstick with a cheesy dip. So here I have taken some cashews and 1 block cheese and little black pepper and 2 cloves of garlic and little bit of salt. And then I will take half lemon juice and I am going to blend it into a smooth paste. So you can get those cheesy dip outside, which may be added with lot of preservative, but because I give it to my kid and we eat, I prefer making it at home, the healthier version. So the cheesy dip or the mayonnaise what you get outside, that has contains lot of vegetable oils. So this is more simple, which you can make at home, and it's very yummy. So friend, my dip is ready, and also my cheesy bread is also ready. Look how nice it is looking. The cheese got melted very nicely. Now I am going to slice it. So now I am going to slice it into, so one bread I am going to slice into 4 pieces. So see, it becomes so crispy when I do cut, and is making that crispy sound. So the cheesy garlic bread is ready along with the dip. Friends, it's very yummy. Don't trust me, you just make it at home and you see how tasty it is. You will not like to go to the restaurant.